Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by validating the essentials. Update the Fisch client to the latest release because outdated code often blocks trade execution. Next, confirm your API key and secret are present and that trading permissions are explicitly enabled on the exchange. Missing scopes are a common silent blocker. Once done, make sure your machine clock is accurate and NTP is running, and that outbound HTTPS, port 443, isn't blocked by a firewall. Those 3 checks eliminate most initial fail points. You now dig deeper. Turn on Fisch debug logging and reproduce the failed trade to capture the precise error code and payload. Analyze signature generation and non-C or timestamp handling. Mismatched encoding or clock drift breaks authentication. Check retry logic and rate limit handling so you aren't silently throttled by the exchange. Once you have logs, replicate the same request against a sandbox or minimal order type to isolate whether the issue is client-side, network level, or exchange-related before applying fixes. You finish by applying the targeted fix, patch the client, correct signature code, or adjust clock sync, and then run the complete trade flow while monitoring logs and performance metrics for the next 24 to 48 hours to confirm stability. If anything breaks, revert to your rollback plan and escalate with the collected logs and request/response dumps. If you still see failures, clear local caches, rotate API keys, and double-check the exchange maintenance or suspension windows. Those steps fix about half of lingering trade errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.